Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we have farfalle with tomato sauce and garlic. You're going to need 2 liters of boiling water. Add olive oil, add salt, and then the pasta. Cook the pasta 2 minutes less than what the package instructions say, because we're going to cook it for 2 more minutes in the tomato sauce at the end. We need around 1 cup of pasta water for the sauce. My package instructions say cook for 12 minutes. It's been cooking for 10, so it's time to drain it. Now, we're going to need a pan, medium to high heat, add olive oil and garlic. We want to cook the garlic for around 15 to 20 seconds without burning it. Now we add the tomato sauce. And give the garlic and the tomato sauce a nice stir. The sauce is quite thick, so let's add some pasta water. Let's add a chicken cube and a bay leaf now. And now salt and pepper to taste. Now give the tomato sauce a really good stir because we're going to let it simmer for at least 20 minutes. After 10 minutes of simmering, the tomato sauce has thickened a bit, so let's add some more pasta water. Give the sauce a good stir, let it simmer for another 10 minutes, and we should be ready to add the pasta. After 20 minutes of simmering the sauce, I think it's time to add the pasta now. Don't forget, the package instructions said for the pasta, cook for 12 minutes. We only cooked for 10. And the other 2 minutes, we're going to cook the pasta in the sauce. Stir your pasta with your sauce constantly for 2 minutes, and then you're ready to serve. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.